Welcome back, aspiring game developers, to the world of epic adventures and code-crafted conquests. In our previous episode, we embarked on a journey to forge two valiant Spartan brothers, arming them with the power to walk the path of heroes. But our tale has only just begun. The winds of fate whisper of a new challenge, a sinister threat that emerges from the shadows. Prepare yourselves, for in this episode, we unveil the artistry of animating adversaries. Witness the birth of malevolent zombie Spartans, animated to unlife with an insatiable hunger for combat. First, we need a bit of background work. Let's do that. Let's make our arsenal of knowledge expands. You, yes you, shall wield the power to switch between our brave brothers in the heat of battle. Unleash a symphony of strikes, control the ebb and flow of combat, and stand tall against the encroaching tide. Let's do this. Next, let's make things easier. Take one Spartan and let's make our zombie Spartans. I'll fast forward as usual. Don't worry guys, I'll share the game after the series is done, so you can check the code blocks yourself. Let's make zombies look a bit tougher since they are veteran warriors before they die. Okay. Now let's make a lot more of them. Okay, zombie warrior is done. But let's make him hungry one, who run towards and attack every living things. Let's meet again with next episode where we make our heroes destroy zombie armies, lead together and fight till the end. See you soon, guys.